Hello, hola. It's Beth here with the instructions on how to complete your project 3. Here we go. So your project 3 is about Pablo Picasso. You're going to create a Prezi, and I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to do it about Pablo Picasso. It's part of our curriculum, and we're going to put all this information in our Prezi. So let's see how to do the Prezi. So you're going to go to Prezi.com. I'm going to put that there. I didn't put it. But you're going to go to Prezi.com. There, you are going to go in with you're going to sign in with your account for Google. Just go ahead and sign for your account for Google. And it will take you to something similar like this. It doesn't look exactly like this, but it's similar like this. Similar to this. And you are going to choose a template to do your Prezi. So that's what I'm going to pick a template. I am going to pick something blue. Yes. So yeah, that's the difficult part to decide which one because there are so many different. So let me pick one. Hold on. I'm just going to go and check in education and nonprofit, and I'm going to pick one of these. So let's say I pick this one. And I'm going to use this template. I'm gonna name my template Pablo Picasso. I'm going to give you my example is going to be about Fernando Botero, because if I do it about Pablo Picasso, then I'm going to give you all your answers. So let's just do this. Fernando Botero. So that's another artist. It's from Colombia. And they say who can see this, and you're going to just click anyone on the web. Okay. So we got that part. And that brings us here. So here's where we're going to start editing. So the first thing we're going to do is to edit this, because our presentation is not going to be back to school, but you're going to put Pablo Picasso, because yours is about Pablo Picasso. Okay, yeah, I can do it. Okay, and then I'm going to put my name here, but that's where you're going to go. Okay, I did something wrong right here. Okay, so here I'm going to put the name, Señora Vaz. And then I am going to start working on this. So for example, in this one, the first thing that I am asking you is the full name. So I'm going to find out what the full name for the person is. My full name for Fernando Botero is, I just need to Google Fernando Botero, and his name is Fernando Botero Angulo. So I'm just going to put right here. So here is full name. And then I have to go back to put the name. Okay, so first I'm going to just label what I'm going to put there. So full name, date and place of birth. I'm just going to put it here. I have to copy, paste like this. Control paste. Control V. Paste. Control V. Okay, so now it's there. Oh, I put it twice. Sorry. Date and place of birth, and date and place of birth. Okay, so there it is. And then the next one says style and technique. Control B. Okay, style and technique. And the last one says the date and the date of death and the circumstances. How did it happen? So I'm just going to put this, copy, and then I'm going to go back here and put it here. So Control paste. Okay, I messed up again. I have to select where I'm going to put it. Okay. Now, the last one, it says right here, for the last slide, choose one of his famous works. So I'm going to choose one of the works. I'm going to just put famous work. And I'm going to put that here. And I have the famous work. Let's see if I can move this a little bit this way. Okay. All right, so now I have like a template to put the information. So next, I'm going to go over this. I'm going to fill the information in each one of this. So you see them, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. So if I go to the first one, that is full name, and I'm going to edit this one, I'll just put here the full name. And here I'm going to put Fernando Botero Angulo. And then I don't really need this one, so I'm just going to delete that one. Okay, because I don't need that one. And I'm going to pull this up a little bit right there. Okay, so I go back with overview and I go to the second one. Now you can delete everything that you don't need. You can delete it. Like here, you're going to need only, we're going to put date and place, so we can put the date. Well, Fernando Botero is still alive, but date and place of death. Oh no, this is birth. Okay, so he says that he's from Medellin, Colombia, in this. So I'm going to put the date in one. Where do you go? For example, I can put this, and then in one I'm going to put born in Medellin, Colombia. I'm going to move this up. Okay, I'm moving in a minute. I don't need this one, and I'm going to do this one. And here I'm going to put the date. Was 19 de abril de 1932. Okay, so you're gonna put there the date, so you have those two. Okay, so that one's done, and you're gonna do the same with all of them. Okay, let me hold on. Okay, so I'm not gonna do all of them, but I'm gonna skip to the last one because that's where I'm going to pick one of the works. So, and you can find all this stuff. So Fernando Botero works, and I can pick just one. So this is Mona Lisa a los 12 años. So that's supposed to be how she looked like when she was 12. So you're just gonna put the image there. I need to go here and let's put the image right there, and then here you're going to write your impressions. And you can choose any template. I just chose that one, but you can choose any template that you like. And it says that you're going to type a paragraph, like around 5 sentences, saying what you think about that. So what do you think about this? Ah, where did it go? Disappear. Oh, it's right here. There you go. You don't need this. So you're going to put in this one, your paragraph. You type your paragraph right here. So you're going to say, I like it because, I don't like it because, I think, whatever. Okay, so whatever you think, you can put there in your paragraph. And I would recommend to make it smaller. So you can play with your letters here. You see, make it smaller. Make it smaller. Yeah, it's supposed to. There is. So that's the smallest you can do. So maybe in another template it works different. What happens when you finish? When you finish and you click present, you should be able to just click on those and see the things that you are put in there. Be sure that you erase everything that you don't need. And then you go to the next one and you have your stuff and so on. Okay, so that's how your presentation is going to look like. Please look at your presentation before you submit. Once you finish, you're going to click share and you can view the link and you're going to get your link. Let me find out. Okay, let's try again. So you have here, you just put a name here for you, and then you have the link right here. So this is the link that you're going to submit right here on my assignment. So you're going to have, you have to submit a website URL, so that's what you're submitting there, and then I'll be able to see it. Okay, I hope this works, or try new things so we don't do every time the same thing. So let's see how the Prezi go, and if you have questions, well, we're gonna do this during class, so if you have questions you can ask me during class. All right, I'll see you. Bye. Adios.